Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable TypeScript strict mode for faster UI prototyping, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable TypeScript strict mode, first, open your TypeScript project in your code editor. Locate the itsconfig.json file in the root directory of your project. Open the itsconfig.json file to edit its configuration. Inside the file, look for the compiler options section. If you see strict, true, this enables strict mode. To disable strict mode, change this line to strict, false. If the strict option is not present, you can add it under compiler options. Now, ensure you also check for individual strict mode options. Options such as no implicit any or strict null checks can be disabled as well. Set these options to false if they are enabled. After making the changes, save the itsconfig.json file. Return to your terminal or command prompt. Run your TypeScript compiler using tscp / to apply the changes. If you are using a development server, restart it to see the effects. Your TypeScript project should now be running without strict mode. This allows for more flexibility and faster prototyping of your UI. Be mindful that while this improves speed, it may reduce type safety. Test your application thoroughly to catch any potential issues. You can always re-enable strict mode later when you're ready for production. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.